Hi guys, welcome. In this video, you're gonna learn about how to write Python program to find the factorial of a number. A factorial of a whole number is that number multiplied by every whole number between itself and 1. For example, the factorial of 3 is that 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, which gives 6. So to solve this problem, we are going to write a Python program. We first define a function factorial. This function takes a parameter n as usual input. Then we are going to define two variables inside this function, the product and current. We assign initial value 1 to the product and to track current number being multiplied is initially 1. Now we are going to use a while loop that keep the iteration of the program and multiply the current number by the product in each iteration until it reaches to the number n. While the current number is less than or equal to n, we just multiply the current number by the product and store the result in product. In this case, the current number being incremented by 1 until it reaches to the number n. So the function going to return the product as a result. Now let's call the function and let's pass data to that function. For example, let's input 3 and let's see the result. It should be 6. Yeah, it is 6. For example, if we change the input to 6, so we should get 720 as a result. That's correct. So this is a simple way to solve factorial problem in Python. We can also use a for loop to solve this problem. Let's copy this program and we change the while loop to for loop. For every iteration in the range of 2 up to n plus 1. In this case, we don't need to use current as a multiplier into the product because we have an iteration I to be multiplied by the product and store the result in product. So in this case, we change to this. In every iteration of the for loop, the I value would be incremented by 1 until it reaches to n plus 1. So when you run this program, we get the same result with the previous program. In this case, you can solve either using the for loop or the while loop to find the factorial of any whole number. I hope you enjoyed this short video tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Write comments below. Thanks for watching.